Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Ford Fiesta CL 5-door hatch, stock reference number 4293. This shape runs from the 10th month 2008 through to the 8th month 2013. It has a TSJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. TSJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which has a small dent on the front edge. Radiator grille, right-hand headlight does have light sun cracks, as does the left headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror indicator tight. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door also appears to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate has one small dent. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has a small dent down the bottom edge. Right power door mirror indicator type. Right front guard has one small dent. And a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, front window only type. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a black center console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player complete with display cluster and head unit and control panel, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.